We're at Wallitsch Garden Center with Jeff Wallitsch, and a lot of people may be venturing out to some small summer gatherings, and you've got some healthy, fresh ideas for summer entrees.
Exactly, and there's things that you can get out of your garden if you did like a small herb garden or anything that you have if you're doing some vegetable garden over the summer.
Watermelon.
I love watermelon.
Great for summer.
I love cheese. I love the combination together. So this is a really easy feta watermelon and little mint bites. You can either do it as a salad too, but I like the presentation that it makes, and you're using the fresh mint, and just kind of adds, a little bit more flavor and texture to it too.
Really zesty, kind of different corn salad.
Exactly. So again, you're using the things that you could have in your garden or that are seasonal. So you got cucumbers, you got tomatoes in there, onions, and then corn. And I have a really good cutting corn off the cob trick. So I like to cut it in half first, just for safety purposes. And then you take your knife, and then you're gonna just go down with the corn, and then put it down on a paper towel, because that way it doesn't roll off everywhere.
That's
then
brilliant.
You can just dump it into your bowl and mix it
Not
up.
rolling all over the floor.
Yep.
A lot of people like to take like a nice, cool summer soup.
Exactly. So this is an easy gazpacho, and again, if you have the things in your garden, like the cucumbers, tomatoes, you could use it fresh, or you could even use, some salsa to kind of add it to it. Make a gazpacho bar, because I love my bars.
That.
And then add tons of fresh vegetables, herbs, chips, or anything to dip it in with.
Love this salad idea if you want to take a slaw, but a lot of people may think, I don't want to put like a salad dressing on this and then leave this out in the sun.
Because it can get kind of nasty.
This is a great idea to kind of prevent that.
So like kale and Brussels sprouts and zucchini noodles, those are things that you can take to a cookout that are not going to necessarily wilt super fast. They can stay in, and you can mix it up and just add a bunch of little different toppings to it. Apples, nuts, cranberries, anything you want to add to it.
Summer perfect. All these recipes at wallitsch.net.